In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zapier and QuickBooks. We're going to create a simple automation that takes a new response from Google Forms and sends that information into QuickBooks Online. This is a great way to reduce manual data entry and make sure customer information is captured quickly and consistently. First, log into your Zapier account. Once you're in the dashboard, click Create and then select Zap. This opens a new automation where you'll define what starts the workflow and what happens next. Begin with the trigger step. Click into it, then search for Google Forms and select it as your trigger app. For the trigger event, choose New Form Response. This tells Zapier to watch for new submissions on a specific form. Next, connect your Google account so Zapier can access your forms. After that, choose the form you want to use from the list. Make sure you select the correct one, especially if you manage multiple forms. Now click Test Trigger. This is important because Zapier needs to pull in a sample response so you can confirm the form is connected properly and so you can map the correct fields later. Verify that Zapier receives a sample response successfully, then click Continue. Next, move to the action step. Search for QuickBooks Online and select it. Then connect your QuickBooks account so Zapier can send information into it. After the connection is complete, choose an action event such as Create Customer. This means every time a new form response comes in, Zapier will create a customer record in QuickBooks. Now map the form fields to the QuickBooks customer fields. This is where you match the information collected in Google Forms, like a name or other customer details, to the appropriate places inside QuickBooks. Take your time here, because accurate field mapping helps ensure your records are clean and usable. Once everything looks right, click Continue. After that, click Test Step. Zapier will send the sample data to QuickBooks so you can verify that the customer is created correctly. Check that the record appears as expected in QuickBooks. If everything looks good, click Publish to activate the Zap. With the automation now live, submit a new response through the Google form. This final check confirms the workflow is working in real time. Then go into QuickBooks and confirm that the customer is automatically created. That's it. You've successfully connected Zapier with QuickBooks to automate customer creation from Google Forms. Thanks for watching.